Welcome to Gianti's Kitchen. Today I'm making ogbono using bitter leaf, and I'm making the ogbono in a not so common way that you would do it. So please continue watching and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. For this ogbono, let me show you some of the ingredients that I'm going to use. This is a lot, but I'll show you some. I'm going to use goat meat. There are crayfish with Cameroon pepper. You could use more than this if you really like crayfish. So I'm going to blend it. It is blended. I got here bitter leaf. I have a video on the easiest way to prep bitter leaf. Please check it out. Goat meat in a pot. I'm going to add some scotch bonnet to it that has been chopped, and I like goat meat well seasoned, so let's add in some salt, then plenty of chopped onions. What to do is to mix everything together. One seasoning cube. I've got the goat meat on the stove. I've been stirring it for some time without adding water, so the seasoning can get into the meat. A while later, I'll add the meat stock. If you do not have it, you could just add water and maybe add one seasoning cube more to it. I like it well seasoned. At this stage, I'm going to add stocked fish, which I've added hot water to it, so it's not as if it's very hard. I've added hot water to it and then washed it with salt. I'm going to add it to it. Add more stock, more water, enough liquid to cook the soup. Minutes later, the meat is not yet done. Just give it a good stir. I am going to take out some of the meat stock. You find out in a bit what I want to use it for. Pass it through a sieve, and then I'll throw back the onions and the pepper. I'll allow it to continue cooking. I've got here the hot meat stock and the ogbono. I am going to add the meat stock to the ogbono to dissolve it. This saves me the trouble of heating up some palm oil, not too hot, and dissolving the ogbono inside, and it also means less dish to wash. And then I find this easier. I'm done with this. Allow it to rest so it dissolves more. Back to the boiling meat. I'm going to add the remaining stock from the ogbono that I dissolved. Next thing to add is the blended crayfish and the Cameroon pepper. You could add more if you want. I'm going to add the locust bean to it. Iru, dadawa, or ogiri. Let's add it. I'm adding the pomo to it. I'm adding it now because it's a bit tender. That's why I didn't add it earlier. Two minutes later, I'm going to add the palm oil. This method also helps you control the amount of palm oil that goes inside. I've been cooking for like 5 minutes. I'm going to add the ogbono to it. Give it a thorough mix. There are no lumps so far, and there wouldn't be any lumps. I'm going to keep on stirring and cooking until it thickens. It has thickened a bit. I'm going to add the bitter leaf to it. I'm adding it at this stage because the bitter leaf has been pre-cooked. Please check out that video. And then that's about all I'll add. And you can correct for the salt later. Correct for salt, add more salt if there is need to add more salt. Adding bitter leaf adds that wonderful contrast in taste. At this stage, I've been cooking it for like 5 minutes. It is done. Thanks for watching.